Unlocking the past. The meaning of nostalgic. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going on a journey through time, not with a time machine, but with language. We're exploring the word nostalgic, a word that evokes memories, emotions, and a longing for the past. If you've ever missed something from the good old days, then you felt nostalgic. Let's dive into what makes this word so special and so evocative. The term nostalgic is an adjective that describes a sentimentality for the past, typically for a period or place with happy personal associations. The word comes from a Greek compound consisting of nostos, meaning return home, and algos, meaning pain. Originally, it referred to the severe homesickness felt by individuals far from home. Now, it's broadened to a general yearning for the past. This can be a longing for certain experiences, emotions, and settings that are gone or have changed over time. To understand how nostalgic is used in everyday language, let's look at some examples. Listening to these old songs is making me nostalgic for my high school days. She had a nostalgic smile on her face as she looked through the photo album. The old restaurant had a nostalgic charm that reminded him of his childhood. In each of these sentences, nostalgic is used to describe a bittersweet longing for the past. You might use the word nostalgic when reminiscing about a time or place from your past, describing something like music, smells, sights, or tastes that triggers memories. Discussing history or traditions with a sense of personal connection. Nostalgic is often associated with positive memories, but it can also carry a sense of sadness because it's about something that's no longer present. Let's clarify a common confusion: the difference between nostalgic and nostalgia. Nostalgic is an adjective. For example, that 90s TV show has a nostalgic appeal. Nostalgia is a noun. For example, I feel a sense of nostalgia when I see old family photos. So, nostalgic describes a feeling or object that causes nostalgia, whereas nostalgia refers to the feeling itself. We've revisited the past today by learning about the word nostalgic, a powerful descriptor of our emotional connections to the days gone by. I hope this video has not only made you a bit nostalgic but also helped you understand how and when to use this evocative word in English. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be describing your cherished memories with ease. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.